Suggestion off the ship.
Rainy morning here at Animal Kingdom.
Each group of us has them. All right, Barb, what's your name?
The iguana's enjoying the rain today. That heron is using the waterfall as an umbrella.
First time on the safari, show of hands. Okay, welcome to you, 4, 5. Okay, welcome back to everyone else. Oh, hi in the front row. I saw the little hand. Oh, welcome. Are we looking to see anything specific today? No? Good talk. We'll see giraffes and babies. It'll be a good time. Now we're going to start off in the Little Aturi Forest. The animals here use their natural colors and markings to blend in, so we got to be on the lookout for these animals. Look over to the right, you're going to see an okapi back there. It does look like a zebra because of the stripes on its legs, but it's not a zebra. They're actually the only relative to the giraffe. We know this because of their similar skull structures and long prehensile tongue. Their tongues are long enough for them to lick their own eyeball. Now take a look at that pattern. They're brown with white stripes. That pattern does help them to blend in. It actually imitates the sunlight shining through the trees. Most of the animals in the forest are brown with white stripes, just like the okapi. And down to the right, that bird, that's my favorite bird on the reserve. He's so cool. That's a saddle-billed stork. They can be up to 5 feet tall and have a wingspan of 9 feet. That's about as wide as a canopy above your heads for a reference. So, big wingspan. He's a male, and because he has brown eyes in his mouth. And the big brown animals to the right with the big white horns are Amholy cattle. They are the only domesticated animals on the reserve. There's a baby giraffe running around too. They have a lot of energy. Those are 2 baby giraffes actually to the right. They're born at 6 feet tall. Female giraffes give birth standing up, so there's going to be a 6-foot drop for that baby giraffe. They should be up and walking within the first hour of their life. Now look over to the left, look in the cave. There are some African wild dogs, also called the painted dog because of the pattern on their coats. When it comes to hunting, they do have a very high success rate. They'll chase down their prey till it passes out from exhaustion. Take a seat for me, please. Thank you. They are vicious, not towards each other. They're family oriented. If there's a sick or an injured dog, the rest of them have dark black feathers. They are the biggest birds. They can't fly, but they do use their wings to help steer them in the direction that they want to go while running. And down to the right, those are her eggs. One of those eggs are equal to about 2 dozen chicken eggs. They weigh 3 pounds apiece. We're seeing a group of white rhinos on our right too. A group of rhinos is called a crash. They are very social animals. They're usually hanging out in a crash. They can charge up to 35 miles.
Oh, right here.
Look, run. Run.
That one looks like I just see it.
I'm ready for the camera.
Oh, I'm sorry. Look at him. He's looking at her like, what are you looking at?
What does that remind us sitting up there with all his rolls? What's his name?
That was a long day.
Rainy day here in Pandora.
and fill the room. That's right. Please fill all the way in and stand on your assigned... Okay. Sealed genetic matching room. Okay, Dr. Stevens, they're ready.
Can everyone see me? Great. Welcome to the Avatar program. Soon, you're going to have a chance to undertake an amazing Navi rite of passage, flying on the back of this powerful animal called an Ikron, or as we call it, a Banshee. The way you're going to do this is by being matched to something called an avatar. And I'm here to help you guys get ready. But first, we have to scan you for Pandoran microparasites. Alright everyone, stay on your number and move your arms a bit. Okay, start scan. You've all got them. But don't worry, they're very common around these parts. Let's start the decon.
Initiating GMR decon.
Stand still over your number, you're not gonna feel a thing. You're doing great. Almost done here.
They're all clear.
Great. Now let's go over how all this works.